Hey, what's going on everyone? It's me here again, TFX Collector, with a brand new toy review. Now in this review, I will be reviewing Transformers Decepticon Seeker Skytread. Now, let us get started. Now, of course, to start off, we have here the packaging. We have Decepticon symbol right here, Skytread's name right here, Siege War for Cybertron right there, Hasbro made by Tommy Takara, Generations Autobot symbol, Transformers. We got Skytread with his jet mode and tank mode. And on the side here, we got an awesome poster of War for Cybertron, authentic Transformers. On the top here, we have a Decepticon symbol, same here, with the words War for Cybertron. And on the bottom, we don't really have anything to worry about there. On the back here, we have Skytread in his tank mode and jet mode, and whatever the heck this thing is, and whatever the heck that thing is. We have here, warning, please do not let your kids eat or drink or breathe anything in this box that may be bad for them. So if you have any kids that are under the age of 3 or are at an age of 3, don't let them near this box. And here we are with the accessories. Now, just like on the box, these are two blasters that are actually really nicely cool. They got really nice red designs. The sculpting on them is really good. The silver is very nice. The red here is pretty good as well. Got some nice silver right there. These two weapons can, in fact, go together like this, making a really cool sniper. Ooh. Now, if you guys have seen my Rodimus Prime video, you know that I am not the biggest fan of really long blasters, but these ones I do like because of the fact that it gives you the option to split apart. So yeah. And here we have Skytread himself. Pretty cool looking Decepticon. Let's get a closer look here at his noggin. A very nice brown silver lining right there. Very nice red eyes. He can do a full head swivel. He can look up that far, and he can't look down. Very nice Decepticon symbol right there. His arms can do a full 360. And you can also move his shoulders out like this. Or not his shoulders, his arms. And they can also go up. The legs here, you can in fact move them out in front like that. You can also move his ankles down like that. Knees, sorry, I should say. His ankles can go side to side as well. All in all, very nice look. Let's get one last look here. Ooh. Very cool looking figure, in my opinion. I think it's really cool. Alrighty, now that that's all out of the way, let us get on with transformation. Now, I didn't show this in before, but he does not in fact have a waist swivel, and I will show you why in a second here. Take this whole part here off. And yeah, basically you just tear them in half. Basically. Okay, put those to the side. Bring the hands inwards like this. Bring this up. Take these pieces out. Take this square piece out like this. Bring these wings down. Fold these arms inwards. Peg him in right there. Peg these bits here into the wings. And there you have jet mode. Honestly, not bad looking jet mode. Got a really basic transformation, not too bad. Very nice red. Got some silver lining there. Pretty cool jet mode. I gotta say it's really nice. Alrighty, now on to the legs. So you take the inner legs here out like this. Bring those up like that. Peg them into here, peg them together, peg the crotch piece in, oops, and you are supposed to peg this thing in, but it does not like to go in all the way. I don't know why it doesn't do that with me, so kind of just have to sit it there, so yeah. The guns. Crap. And here you have the tank mode. Pretty nice looking tank mode. Let's get a better look here. As you can clearly see. Very nice. Another very simple transformation. Very good. Got some nice wheels here. Got some pretty good battle damage paint. So yeah, pretty good. He does roll, as he should. Whoops, that wasn't meant to happen. Oh my god, that was not meant to happen. So yes, you can in fact peg this gun onto any one of these holes here, which is a very nice touch. But yes, very nice battle damage, very nice wheels, very nice everything about this thing. And here we have it with the jet mode. Again, not too bad looking vehicles. I would say that when I first saw this guy, I thought it was a triple changer, which honestly, yeah, I legit thought this was a triple changer, but no. Hasbro actually surprised me when it turns out this wasn't a triple changer. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So yes, there you have it, everyone. Skytread. Honestly, I really like this Decepticon. I didn't know anything about him when he was first released for the Siege War for Cybertron show, which is actually a really good show. If you haven't seen it yet, it is on Netflix. Uh, After I did some research on him, I gotta say I really do like this character. He is honestly really cool, and I'm honestly hoping we get to see more of Skytread and Transformers continuity moving on, because this is a really cool character and he does have some good potential. He honestly is a really awesome character. And to be honest, I actually quite like him. He's not one of my favorite characters, but he is a character who I genuinely like and would more than likely play with over and over and over. But if you would like to get this character for yourself, or if you like to get one just for keepsake, you can go check out your local Amazon. I will leave a link in the description down below, not directly to him, but to Amazon itself. If you would like to check out any other Transformers merchandise, I will leave a link for the Big Bad Toy Store down below as well. So yeah, anyways, that's all for this review. I hope you all enjoyed it. So as always, press like, press the notification bell to get notified about brand new videos. I make up every new videos every other week. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this review. And as always, have a great night or day, depending where you are. Tell your friends and family, and as always, never stop being a kid, do what you love, and have fun. But as always, until next time, I will see you all later.